Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today's video it's gonna be about the Canva application, and I want to show to you how you can duplicate the whole project that you have in Canva. So you just need to open your Canva application on your phone, and then you just need to stay in this home page. So you just need to find the project that you want to duplicate here. So mostly this duplicate features used to get the same exactly the project, the whole pages of the project, so that you can change or do other variations editing to the project. So let's say here I will let you duplicate this project, which is the company profile, and there will be three small dots on the top side here. Go click it, and there will be actions that you can choose, and then you just need to go click make a copy. And now you can already have this copy of company profile. So the composition of this project will be the same with the original file. So you can just do further editing with another style for this project. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you found this video today is very useful for you, and I really hope we can meet again into other tutorial.